it's Brooke with WTI. If you like very soft skin, especially cashmere soft, you might check out this awesome face cream. This is by Nourish Organics. This is their cashmere, and it really does leave a very beautiful, soft, silky touch to my skin. I love that it's 1.7 ounces and a very little bit of it goes a very long way. It helps my skin feel hydrated, not irritated. It doesn't cause those ugly little white bumps, what gets clogged under the skin. So I like that I can trust using this face cream. And I love how soft it makes my skin feel. And the ingredients are amazing. I love aloe vera, green tea, licorice root, and chamomile, also mushroom extract. These are such cool ingredients for a face cream. So it does a really good job of hydrating my skin, my irritated skin, and making it happy again and lasting throughout the day. It gives me that glow that I'm looking for, and I love that it makes my skin feel silky, and I think it goes on real nice and absorbs really well. So I love the scent as well. It's very faint and light. I love that this really does work for me. If you have sensitive skin, this could be awesome for you. But that's just my point of view.